All right, today we're gonna work on getting Blaze AI into the JUTPS3 template. Um, I've included a couple of scripts like normal, so there'll be Google Drive links to those. And there are some modifications to some base scripts that need to be made. I'm including a text document with line references and the code that needs to be added. Here we can see the text document that I'm adding. The script name is in green, and then it'll tell you what line they need to be added onto. We'll start with hitmarker.cs. The highlighted text is the text that we're going to be adding, which is over here. And next will be bullet.cs, and right here we can see the onTriggerEnter method that's added on line 132. Just copy and paste this into there. And damager.cs on line 199, we have this last method that we're going to put in here, or I'm sorry, function. So basically, these are required to pass the information to the new Blaze AI enemy health class that I made that we're going to put on the AI. And then here is that class. So the Blaze AI enemy health holds all of the events and whatnot for passing damage to the AI. And shoot.cs is included with Blaze AI, but it is completely, this is basically gutted. So I will include this script as well, and you can just copy the body and paste it into the existing script. But anyways, we're going to start here. I'm going to grab a demo character from Demo 5 scene, which is the cover shooter scene. So I'm just going to grab guard 1 and then make a prefab out of it. And then I'm going to unpack the prefab here so that we don't do anything crazy. And we'll save this scene, and we'll go back to the JUTPS demo scene. So here's our third person scene. We are going to grab that prefab that we just made, so our Blaze AI guard, and we're just going to drag him into the scene here. There is some setup that's required. We are going to change the layer to default, and we are just going to do no this object only. Tag as enemy is great. We're going to scroll down here, and in general, our ground layers, we're going to change these to default and terrain, and we're going to get rid of this vehicle wheel because we don't care about that. And then we're going to go to death, and for the death animation, type death here, that's capital D, just like that. And then I have destroy on death enabled, and I have it about 8 seconds. So the body's gonna lay down on the ground, play the death animation, and 8 seconds later he's gonna disappear. So if you have added the new body to the shoot script, you're going to see that we have reference to the bullet prefab. That is the bullet prefab from the JUTPS template. So we're just going to search the assets for bullet, and we're going to plug in that bullet prefab here. Ignore colliders. This is going to be reference to the Blaze AI's capsule collider so that the bullet doesn't shoot him as soon as he shoots it. So we're going to put that there, and we are going to add our Blaze AI enemy health component, and here this hit marker offset is going to be the numbers that show up when we deal damage to him. You can play around with this. I found 1.5 to be it was just fine. Starting health, however much health you want this enemy to have. Current health is going to be populated as soon as it enters runtime. So it'll get set to whatever the starting health is, and then it'll decrement when he takes damage. Back up into the Blaze AI, we've got the vision tab. We need to change these layers to detect. I find it easiest to just go nothing, and then we're going to do default. We're going to do terrain. We're going to do walls, and we're going to do character. And then our hostile and alert layers, we're going to set that to character because that is our player. And at this point, if we play the game, he should just work. So we see he can deal damage to me, I can deal damage to him, and when he dies, 8 seconds later, he's gone. So that's pretty much it for the basic integration. Obviously, you can take these scripts and add whatever you want to it, do whatever you want, but this is the general get it working. Hope this helps.